If you're looking for some new pots and pans, I just got this new ceramic nonstick set. Let me show you everything it comes with. It is a 12-piece set and what it looks like up close. As I mentioned, this is a 12-piece set. You do have this nice large pot here with a lid. I do like the lid. It almost feels like it's a kind of almost got like a rubber coating on it. So that's going to be great. That won't heat up really. Does have the nice little vent hole in the lid there. Does come with this other cooking pot here as well. I do like the coating that it has on the handles here as well. And I kind of like the shape of the handles there. It's curved. It makes it a lot easier for picking up. And then you get a little saucepan down here. All three with the same type of lids. You do get 3 frying pans here. You have this little one here. This would be great for just making like a single egg or something along that line. You get your medium size and then your larger size here. This here is the way the inside looks. At ceramic, you can kind of see it has a little sparkle to it. This here's the way the bottom looks. This is going to help it give nice even cooking all the way around. And the other 3 pieces that it comes with are these 2 serving spoons, one that has some holes, one that does not, and then the flipper or turner that you have here. They all have this nice little grip for your thumb while holding. And another nice thing is you can notice that the utensils in all the pots and pans do have holes in them if you do have some place to hang them. This particular one comes in this very nice blue color. I really like that. I was a little worried since we didn't stir the food that it was going to be sticking to the pan, but as you can see, it doesn't stick at all. So if you're looking for a very nice pot and pan set, this ceramic one here, I really like it.